In the endless expanse of the cosmos, amidst billions of galaxies, lies a small, swirling neighborhood we call home. This is the story of our solar system, a story that began 4.6 billion years ago from a vast, rotating cloud of gas and dust. This was the solar nebula. At its heart, gravity pulled material together, igniting a star, our sun. This fiery birth marked the dawn of our solar system, a dynamic and ever-changing place of wonder and discovery. From this single event, a magnificent cosmic dance began, a ballet of planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, all bound by the sun's immense gravitational pull. Imagine a cosmic pinball machine where leftover debris from the sun's formation collided and stuck together. Through a process called accretion, tiny dust grains grew into pebbles, pebbles into boulders, and boulders into planetesimals. These early planetary embryos, some hundreds of kilometers across, continued to collide and merge. Over millions of years, the largest of these bodies swept up the remaining material in their orbits, carving out their paths and growing into the planets we know today. The inner solar system, closer to the sun's heat, formed the rocky worlds: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Farther out, where it was colder, gas and ice giants took shape: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Our solar system is almost incomprehensibly vast. If the sun were the size of a grapefruit, Earth would be a grain of sand about 15 meters away. Jupiter would be a marble over 80 meters away, and Neptune, a small pebble, would be nearly half a kilometer from our grapefruit-sized sun. Light itself, the fastest thing in the universe, takes over 4 hours to travel from the sun to Neptune. And beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a frigid ring of icy bodies, home to dwarf planets like Pluto. Even further out is the theoretical Oort cloud, a giant spherical shell of icy debris thought to surround our entire solar system, extending nearly a quarter of the way to the next nearest star. So, what is our solar system made of? Well, almost all of it, 99.86% of its total mass, is the sun. This colossal ball of hot plasma fuses hydrogen into helium, releasing the energy that bathes our system in light and warmth. The remaining sliver of mass is everything else. The 4 inner planets are terrestrial, meaning they are composed primarily of rock and metal with solid surfaces. Mercury is a scorched, cratered world. Venus is a toxic greenhouse. Mars is the cold, red desert. And then there is Earth, a vibrant blue marble teeming with life. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, a region filled with millions of rocky bodies, remnants from the early solar system that never quite formed a planet, thanks to the immense gravity of Jupiter. Speaking of which, the outer solar system is the realm of the gas giants. Jupiter and Saturn are composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, just like the sun. They are massive worlds with turbulent atmospheres and dozens of moons. Further out, the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune, have more water, ammonia, and methane ices in their makeup, giving them their distinct blue hues. Each of these giant worlds is a system in itself, orbited by a fascinating collection of moons, from volcanic Io to ocean-hiding Europa and geyser-spouting Enceladus. But the story of our solar system is far from over. It is a story still being written, both by the cosmos and by us. What does the future hold? In about 5 billion years, our sun will exhaust the hydrogen fuel in its core. It will swell into a red giant, expanding so much that it will engulf Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth. The familiar solar system we know will be transformed into an unrecognizable fiery landscape. After this dramatic phase, the sun will shed its outer layers, creating a beautiful planetary nebula, and its core will collapse into a white dwarf, a dense, cooling remnant of a once mighty star. The remaining planets, if they survive, will continue to orbit this faint ember in a cold, dark, and silent solar system. From a swirling cloud of dust to a vibrant system of worlds, and eventually to a quiet stellar graveyard, Our solar system's journey is one of creation, existence, and eventual dissolution. It's a reminder of our own fleeting moment in the cosmic timeline. But for now, we are here on this pale blue dot with the unique ability to look up and wonder, to explore, to learn, and to appreciate the magnificent cosmic neighborhood we call home. The story of the solar system is our story, and the quest to understand it is one of humanity's greatest adventures.